If you're over 50 and feel like your strength is slowly fading, your joints feel stiff, your body doesn't respond the way it used to. This is not because you're getting weak, it's because you're missing one powerful method: isometric holds. These ancient Shaolin style techniques don't rely on heavy weights. They rely on tension, control, and stillness. And science now proves what monks knew centuries ago: isometric holds can rebuild strength, improve stability, and even protect your joints. In fact, research from the National Taipei University of Nursing and Health Sciences shows that isometric holds improve muscle strength and power without stressing the joints. So today, I'm going to show you 5 powerful isometric holds that can rebuild your strength after 50, safely, effectively, and from your own home. Let's start with the first one. 1. Wall sit. This looks simple, but don't underestimate it. Stand against a wall, slide down until your knees are at 90 degrees, and hold. That's it. This one movement activates your quads, glutes, and core all at once. It's one of the most effective isometric holds for lower body strength. Research published in the European Journal of Applied Physiology tested wall squat programs and found significant improvements in muscle endurance and even cardiovascular health. Even more interesting, studies show isometric holds like wall sits can lower blood pressure better than some traditional exercises. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds. Build up to 1 minute. Feel the burn. That burn is your strength coming back. 2. Shaolin Wall push. This is a hidden gem. Stand facing a wall, place your palms on it, and push as hard as you can. But here's the key. Nothing moves. Your muscles fire at maximum intensity without joint strain. This is pure isometric holds training. Modern research from Scientific Reports, 2025, shows that isometric holds increase maximum strength and muscle activation even without movement. This is exactly why Shaolin monks used this technique. Hold for 10 to 20 seconds, rest, repeat. You'll feel your chest, shoulders, and arms come alive. 3. Horse stance. Hold. This is straight from Shaolin tradition. Stand wide, bend your knees, sit low like you're sitting on an invisible chair. Hold. This builds deep leg strength, hip stability, and mental toughness. Unlike regular exercises, isometric holds like this force your muscles to stay engaged continuously, building endurance and control. A 2025 study from Liverpool John Moores University found that isometric training significantly improved strength and power in just weeks. Start with 20 seconds. Aim for 60 seconds. Your legs will shake. That's normal. That shaking is weakness leaving your body. 4. Bear, crawl, hold. Get into a bear crawl position. Hands under shoulders, knees slightly off the ground. Now freeze. This is one of the most underrated isometric holds. It trains your entire body: core, shoulders, hips, and coordination. Unlike dynamic movement, isometric holds like this improve stability and control, which becomes crucial as you age. Research shows isometric holds improve muscle efficiency and energy use, meaning your body becomes stronger without wasting energy. Hold for 15 to 30 seconds. Stay tight. Stay controlled. 5. Hollow body hold. Lie on your back. Lift your legs and shoulders slightly off the ground. Keep your lower back pressed down and hold. This is one of the best core-focused isometric holds you can do. It strengthens your deep core muscles, the ones responsible for posture, balance, and injury prevention. Studies show that static core exercises like planks and similar isometric holds significantly improve core strength and stability. Start with 10 to 20 seconds. Build up slowly. Your core is your foundation. Fix this, and everything improves. Now here's the truth most people don't realize. After 50, your body doesn't just lose strength, it loses control. And that's exactly what isometric holds restore. They reconnect your brain to your muscles, rebuild stability, and protect your joints. Even recent clinical research from the University of Kent shows isometric holds can improve overall health markers like blood pressure in adults. That means this isn't just about looking strong, it's about living longer, moving better, and staying independent. So here's what I want you to do. Start with just 3 of these isometric holds today. Do each for 20 to 30 seconds. Rest. Repeat. You don't need a gym. You don't need weights. You just need consistency. Because when you train with isometric holds, you're not just exercising, you're rebuilding your body from the inside out. And if you found this helpful, make sure you subscribe to the channel, because I'm going to show you simple, science-backed ways to rebuild strength after 50 without damaging your joints, without wasting time, and without complicated routines. Your strength is not gone. It's just waiting to be reactivated. And isometric holds are the key.